In this video, I'll show you how to disable a private server in Roblox. Now first what you want to do is you want to head over to roblox.com and log into your account. From in here, click on the three dots, go to your inventory and scroll down until you find private servers. Now click on private servers and scroll up until you find the private server that you want to disable. So from in here, I'm going to click on this one. Scroll down until you find this page, click on the three dots and go to configure. Now once you're in here, if you can see the subscription price. Now obviously this one is free, but if it was not free, at the subscription price you would have this button right here that you could click, and then you can cancel the subscription. Now when you cancel the subscription, it will say expiry date, and that's when you can no longer have the private server. Now if you want to still have the server, but you just don't want people to join, what you can do is disable allow joining right here. And now no one can join the server. So now it's like it's frozen and it's only you that can join. Now, if you want, like I said, this one is free, so I cannot cancel the subscription. But if it costs money, you can simply cancel it right here. And that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.